Hi everyone, are you generating enough leads for your garage door installation business? If no, and you're looking for a solution, this is the video for you. In this video, we're going to share with you inputs as to how you can generate more leads and grow your business for garage installation doors through SEO. We'll share with you insights as to how we help one of our clients offering garage door installation services to grow his business through SEO. The first step was to find the right set of keywords targeting his actual services. We used long tail keywords such as garage door and gate installation and repair company or garage door companies in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Based on the targeted key phrases, the content on the web page was optimized as well as promoted through blog posts. Client's Google business profile was optimized and promoted to get more genuine reviews and hence help his ranking in Google Maps. A lot of content promotion through blogs and PR were done, and along with that we reached out to similar niche websites to attain good quality and relevant backlink. The results started showing improvement in terms of increase in organic traffic. Page views and sessions also improved. New visitors along with returning visitors to the website also improved. Daily active users to the website also increased. And top it all, we were able to deliver 2100 plus leads for this client using best SEO practice. In case you're running a similar business and are struggling to generate leads online or are struggling to make sales, feel free to get in touch with us. We surely can help. Would appreciate if you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.